Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo N53 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with the internet connection. It is required to download something and then we can enter the Play Store. If you've got your Google account added to the device, that's okay. If not, you have to either log in or sign in. Without it, you won't be able to use the Google Play Store. So after that, after logging, for example, simply tap on the circle, which is your account, and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now we have to tap on Manage, and here we've got the list of all currently installed apps, and after tapping on updates available, we can check which one we can download. So of course, if you want to, you can mark all of those apps, and if not, you can simply pick one or two. So I'll pick maybe Google Photos and maybe Google Drive. After marking, simply tap on this update icon at the top, and as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that the updates will be successfully installed and applied to the apps. So you do not really have to do anything more, just wait patiently. Of course, you can go back and do whatever you want on your device. Alright, so that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.